Today we are going to do the experiment. The aim of the experiment is study and practice of connection and reverse the direction of the capacitor start and capacitor run single phase induction motor. So as we know, single phase induction motor is not self-starting. So to make it self-starting, we split the winding into main winding and auxiliary winding. So here in this case, we are using two capacitors. One is start capacitor, another is running capacitor. So the start capacitor, it will be used until the motor starts picks its speed up to 75 to 80%. After it attains the speed of 80%, then the centrifugal switch will disconnect it from the auxiliary winding. And the running capacitor, it remains in the circuit. The starting capacitor, it has high capacitance and it is of short duty rating, and it is of electrolytic type, and the starting running capacitor, it is continuous rating and it has low capacitance. So we will check the connection of the capacitor start, capacitor run single phase induction motor. So here we will see the circuit of capacitor start, capacitor run single phase induction motor. This is the running winding, the single phase supply, and this is the starting winding. Two capacitors are connected, and here it is the centrifugal switch connected with the starting capacitor. So we look at the circuit. This is the running winding. The terminals of the running winding are RW1, RW2. Starting winding SW1, SW2. Starting capacitor. This is the centrifugal switch CS1 and CS2, RC1 and RC2, running capacitor. And this is our DOL starter. The supply is given to the DOL starter and the supply is taken from the output to the single phase induction motor. So when by giving the supply to the motor, so due to the space degree of 90 degree between the main winding and the starting winding, rotating magnetic flux is produced, which helps in rotation of the rotor. The motor is 1 HP, 230 volt, 4 ampere, 1440 RPM. So now let's start the induction motor. So we will give the main supply, then use the start button of the DOL. Current, the starting current, it was more than 10 ampere, around 11 ampere. The induction motor is rotating in clockwise direction. So now we will check it how to reverse the direction of the induction motor. So for reversing it, either we will change the terminals of the main winding or starting winding with the main supply. The rotation of the motor, we changed this terminal from RW1 to RW2 and to this. With this main supply, this is changed, interchanged. So now we will see how rotation has been changed. So now the motor is running in anti-clockwise direction.